What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I could not believe it, but my Michaels had grab bags. Grab bags are like the crown jewel of Michaels. Just like brand new washi tape is the crown jewel of Dollar Trees. To those of you that have never had a grab bag, you just don't understand. So you need to watch this video. You guys, we pay only $4 for a grab bag, and it is cram-packed of items from whatever the last season is. These are going to be all filled with Christmas items, and of course, I saw a little bit through the bottom of some of these bags, but I have not opened these up yet, you guys. This is my big bag, and it's a bag inside of a bag, and I asked the cashier to do that because my bag was ripping through. You guys see I got stuff ripping through here? But this is the moment I've been waiting for, you guys. I am so excited to be opening this for you guys. I'm hearing lots of clanking and what's sounding like a lot of fragile items inside. I'm thinking maybe Christmas ornaments. I'm not sure. I actually bought 3 grab bags, so that's going to be 3 videos. This is bag number 1. Let's see what's inside. Wow. Wow, you guys, that's all I can say. It has so much inside. Let's start with the first thing. Oh my gosh, you guys, I actually bought some of these earlier in the season. These were originally $6.99, and these are the DIY ornaments, and these are all glass. These are not plastic. These are all glass. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at this, you guys. I have an ornament. This originally cost $6.99 from Ashland. And what is it? It's a hamburger. I think it's a hamburger. Yeah, it's like a little hamburger or something. Okay, what else? I have a rocket, and this originally cost $12.99. Little rocket, and these are all glass. This is so cute. Gator's gonna love this. This costs $3. It's just a little water game. You guys remember these? You fill them up with water, and then you press this, and you try to get it up in the, what is it? Like Santa has a little like catcher's mitt. It's like a baseball bat up here and a catcher's mitt. These are so cute. Whoa, what is this, you guys? This is and it's glass. It's a whale. Wow, look at that. It's like mercury glass with kind of some powdery like flocking on the top. Oh, look at his tail. Wow. This was originally $9.99, and it came from the Coastal line. Oh, he's so cute. I like that he's like kind of see-through. I brought in my Dollar Tree container because I wanted to try to not make such a mess as I open this bag. So I think I'm going to put the ornaments in here. What is this? Look, you guys. A stereo viewer. Exciting 3D pictures. Pick up and look. This was $9.99, and again, this is from Ashland. This one is really unusual. Super unusual. Maybe it's like the toy, you know, when you put in the cartridge and you click it and it shows you like a little picture. So cute. I have this in the letter Y. These were $7.99. This one in X. Guess what, you guys? My kids all have X names, so this will be going on our tree. This was $7.99 also. What is this? Oh my gosh, look at this. Baseball player Santa. I didn't know what it was when I first grabbed it. He originally cost $12.99. That's so funny. Looks like we have another one of these. But the baseball thing looks broken, like there's a little loose floating baseball in there. This was $3. Ooh, look at this one. This one is really pretty. This was $9.99. It's pretty, and then it's kind of weird too the way they did it. It's like an ornament, but it's like a pine cone. I like this right here. All of these are Ashland ornaments. A raft. That's a weird one. $9.99. A big yellow raft. And the letter Q. Also $7.99, like the others. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. It's a pretzel, a big soft pretzel, and this was $9.99, and it has a real cool texture to it, you guys, kind of bumpy and rough. No glitter fallout or anything. I really like this one. Birdie and I just made soft pretzels for the first time the other day. We had a great time and they turned out so good. Okay, another X. Perfect. So if I get 3 of them, we'll be set. Okay, this ornament here is missing a tag and it's missing the little piece here. But maybe this can be added to an arrangement, or I could hot glue something onto this. I really like the colors. My container is getting full already, you guys. Look, this is all the ornaments so far. Another set of the glass DIY ornaments. A cute little 660 piece set of, what is this? This is a foam craft kit. Oh, it's cute. It's for making like a gingerbread house. 660 pieces. Oh, the kids will love this for next year. Gator will love this. Gator and Birdie will probably really love this. How cute. This was originally $7.99. We have a golden tree, kind of like a golden tinsel tree, and it smells really plasticky. It's not opened up yet. It's kind of closed. It has a little plastic stand. This is by Tiny Treasures. This is by Celebrate It. It says Tiny Treasures. These were $8.99. No way in the world would I ever pay $8.99 for these. I have another one, you guys. I'm probably going to end up with a bunch of these. This was also $8.99 in red. And we have another one in red. This one seems like it's a little fuller. Maybe it was opened already. Oh, what's this? This is a cute gift card holder. It was $1. A little Santa. Has a little string on the top and a little slot in the back. That's pretty cute. He has a little bit of glitter on the edge of his hat and on his mustache. Oh, look at this one, you guys. This one is so cute. It's a cute food truck. This is what it looks like on the back. All glass, of course. It says order drinks here, and it says eats right here. This one was $6.99, also from Ashland, and also a glass ornament. I have 3 stamps that say Happy Hanukkah, and these are all by Craftsmart. I don't know how much these originally were. I have no idea. Happy Hanukkah. This is what the stamp, let's try that again. This is what the stamp looks like. So I have 3 of those. And then I have, let's see, 8 nights, 8 lights. I think these might be for Hanukkah as well. This is what the stamp looks like. And then I have this one that says peace. Nice. And I have this one that says believe. Really pretty. I really like that snowflake. And then this one that says Happy Holidays. And last but not least, this one says Naughty is the new nice. That's so cute. And this is what the stamp looks like. Naughty is the new nice. So I ended up getting, let's see, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 stamps, you guys. 9 stamps. Let's do a little recap. 9 stamps, 2 of these. This little foam kit. Little gift card holder. These 3 trees that originally were $8.99 each. And what else? 2 sets of these. And all of these glass ornaments. I gotta be really careful. That was a bunch of ornaments. Probably, I don't know, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's say about 15 ornaments. Yeah. I'm pretty happy, you guys. I'm really happy for these. I'm really happy for the ornaments, the stamps, the little kit. I'm not too excited about the trees. But I'm not complaining. I know the kids are going to like these. Hopefully I get one more. These would be great for the car. I'm super excited about what I got in this grab bag, this $4 grab bag. And guess what, you guys? I'm going to be making 2 more videos so I can share with you what I got in bag number 2 and 3. So if you love these videos and you want to see more, I hope you'll tune in to my others. And I hope you guys will share this video with your friends and your family. If you guys love shopping at Michael's, remember to hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. Let me know what your best grab bag find ever has been. I'm really curious to know because it seems like every store offers up different grab bags, and I just really want to know what your best find ever was at Michael's. If you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.